Hello guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to show you where my dad got from.
Amazon.
Amazon.
Quite a while ago. We've been busy. So here's the story. What happened?
So basically, we went to the car wash because we were going to Birmingham.
We
wanted to make it clean, and
oh yeah, for your nephew's wedding.
yes, and
your cousin's wedding.
Yeah,
not nephew, but my nephew's your cousin's wedding.
So we got it cleaned by the car wash, but they did the inside, and they washed the carpets and left it like wet. But we didn't know that, so we left it, and it started smelling mouldy. So
they did the carpets. I didn't really ask them to do the carpets. There was a stain and said, "Can you just move that stain?" He goes, "That'll be extra, a few pounds." I said, "Okay, that's fine. Just do it." And then they washed all the carpets, and it wasn't the weather because it's been raining and wet and a bit cold, so it didn't dry out. So the mats were on there; they were wet. The old mats sitting on top. The old mats, the original VW mats, because the old VW car, the Turan, 2006, really old car, brilliant car, really old car, and it started stinking. So I had to take them out and try and air them, but they would smelt too bad. It smelt rotten. The car didn't smell great, and it's taken ages for the smell to go. It's gone now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But it ages for the smell to go. So I had to buy some more mats. I didn't want to spend a lot. I certainly didn't want to go to VW or Halford about it. So what I did was got these, and I bought them from Amazon, local kind of supply guy. And these are them, and they've got the big holes.
Oh yeah.
So they have to fix them. So this is the one that goes right at the very back. This is between, because they're 7-seater, between the back seats. There's 3 rows of seats, so this would go to mats, the back seats. And then these are the mats to go. So my seat. Yeah, your seat where you sit normally when you go to. And these are the back ones, and this is the driver's one. Now what? And that's that little cushiony bit. That's nice.
Oh yeah.
Because that's where your heels stretch a lot, and then you're changing, shifting. They've got these things here now. Oops, I just ripped that. Here's the thing. These are
buttons.
clipped up to hold it in place. So it's kind of stuck to the thing. So what you're meant to do is push out pre-cut hole in your mats. These will have already been pushed out. May have already been pushed out. It's all stuck. It's all stuck. Why is it all stuck? Anyway. Okay, here we go. So you're going to push up pre-cut hole. Maybe we'll push out. If you're unsure of the holes, check your fixing the vehicle. On a flat surface, place the bottom fixing hole, pre-cut holes underneath. Press down and to collect in position. Oh my god. So we're going to just cover them over. That's all it is. And press down position. I'm not sure why the pre-cut holes, but yeah. Top and bottom. So the bottom one is the one that sits. Yeah, I've got it. So you kind of pre-cut holes. 1B. Yeah, okay.
Come on then.
Right. Okay, so I presume these go underneath. So like that. And then you push them in like that. And then push them on a hard surface and they could clip in. I'm not sure why we need to do that.
Hammer it.
Top, bottom, yeah. So this is the... Yeah. So we're just going to put them in. They have got these things on this in the car that you can lock the mats in place. There you go.
Let me.
Do you want to do one? Do you want to do one? You can try one. Yeah, so...
let me do my one.
You can't do your one. Your one doesn't have one.
Oh no!
You do the front, for the front's only, and then you do one.
Okay. So we got these. Yeah, push it through. Then you get a clip.
Put it on hard surface and press it down. Okay, right, you done one. Yeah, right, that'll do. Don't go mad. Then the other one, this one here. So we've got some ones you can lock the mats into place in the thing. I'm thinking I'm going to take them out, or it makes it a bit proud. I'm not sure I'm going to do it today. I'm going to need a pair of pliers to probably pull those out. The other ones, I'm not sure it's going to rip the carpet, so I may just leave them in. So they've got, they kind of felt it's quite thin.
Oh, yeah. feels hard. So
they're quite thin, I've got to say. So they're quite thin, but I don't care. This is the kind of textured surface.
very grippy.
Very grippy, so it really grips. And if you do it on this, it doesn't move. I'm tug it. Yeah, no movement, so I hope it grips good. So should we put them in the car and see what they're like? Yeah? I've just hoovered the carpet in the car because it's all muddy from your boots from football. So we're going to just put them in now. So we'll be in the car in a minute. Okay.
Okay, so we're back.
At my car, at the car. So these are the mats. So you've got this grippy bit here, and you've got, look, if you look down, just to show them, that's the little studs that come with this. There's a bit broken, that one, so don't change it. That one is thing that goes through, and you kind of lock it in place. But I don't think you're gonna need it because with these they're really grippy. So I'm gonna, at some point, I'm gonna get some pliers. Can't do it now. It's just too late in the day on a Monday, bank holiday Monday. It's sitting a bit proud, which isn't ideal, but I'm gonna have to get some kind of pliers or something to sort that out. Not sitting great, that actually. I'm gonna have to probably get something today to do that, because unless I can just get some, I'm sure we've got some pliers in the house. So that's the front. It seems okay, fits okay. If you then come around to the other side, so you can come around to the other side.
I know, I'm not.
So this has got a bit here for this got a bit here for your heel sit, so don't weigh it down. Again, they've got these stud things here, so that should go up there and sit there. But again, it fits fine. But again, unfortunately, it's sitting proud at the back. So I'm going to get some pliers today and do it, because it's just going to be too much hassle. But yeah, there's hardly any movement. Let me just get in there and move that out of the way. Move that over there. Let's just put them all in. So this is the back one. It looks the same. It's pretty generic. So here, you know, these are pretty good. This compartment underneath in the floor. Things, but anyway, enough of that.
Is it?
Yeah.
I never knew that.
I know that.
That's it.
So that's pretty good. This fits pretty snug, pretty tight. I'm not sure it's the best that fits actually, but it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it protects the car, protects the car. So from our feet, we can just stop the car from getting worn. And then it's got this side again. Let's go on this side. Just done that before, one side at a time, going back and forth, and again put that in there. And again, it's really tight and snug. It's sitting up a bit on that side, but doesn't really matter. Nah, I don't think so. As long as it's done its job.
You can't do the back yet.
Why? Oh, we can't do the back. Yeah, we can. What we can do, because we've got still our stuff in there, we can slide it forward. Isn't that the floor there? With it back there?
I have no clue.
Okay, so let's put the seats forward. Let's put the seats forward. We store stuff in the football gear in this, so let me drop that down. The mat would normally be here, but this is all in the way at the moment, so I can't get it down. So it would normally be that here. So what I'll do, I'll just store it in the car for now. Okay. But the mat, it's a long strip one. Yeah. It would go
from
right across. The one people sitting in the back to back, call it, because not a proper full MPV. It's like one. Well, it's an MPV, but it's got these. So that would go in there, but not going to fit. MPV, multi-purpose van. Right. So they've not normally seats at the back. We keep our football gear in here, but when we go away, we take the seats out. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. So we'll just shove it there for now. Leave it there, and we'll go from there. What?
No, hold it.
Huh? What's that? So. He kicked, yes, his sister just kicked the ball, and those kind of felt spongy balls out, so she's going to get it. So that's it basically. Let's have a look if it moves. So I got my big boots on. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
You're wearing your mum's shoes.
It's the best because you just have to slip it on.
So is it moving? Push your feet. No, it's not moving.
And I'm the same size, literally.
That's great. So basically, don't move. Do you want to go the other side? Try the other side. Come on.
Wow, your feet didn't even move when you're pushing it.
Try the other side. Go to maybe put the seat. Come on, go get your feet in.
Do you want to go in this one?
No, okay. I'll do it because obviously I'll be driving, won't I?
Yes.
So heels here. That is, yeah. You're thinking the position right, but it's just, you see it's right at the edge. Look, look, get it focused in. It's right at the edge of the padded bit, which isn't that bad, because the other one's going that, yeah, that's the clutch. So normally I have it a bit more forward. So you'd like to have a bit more forward. So that's all right for accelerator, brake, accelerator, brake. Yeah, it's about right, the heel's about right, but quite forward, but that's because of the position of this. You probably want more up to the edge, but they do, they're fine. They do the trick. It's an old car, as long as it protects this floor, because all you can do is, when they get dusty, you just dust them off, instead of having all the mud on the carpet, and then when it's wet, you're going to potentially ruin the carpet, and we don't want that. So what do you think? What do you think? The gripping's really good. You don't need a little, you don't, like I said, need a little, that was probably from before they had a system where these are going to have to pry them off. I might get a screwdriver, see if I can pry them off, or just some pliers and tear them out, because they're just going to get away sitting a bit proud. So I may just do that. Alternatively, I may just leave them, because if I do ever decide to change them for these really decent mats, which I doubt, at least I've got them still. Huh? What? The car went past. Cannabis.
I don't even know.
And probably weed, yeah. These people smoke weed and stuff, but not good for your health, not good for your well-being. Smoking that stuff. Anyway, that's another day. So this is still going to sit a bit proud, but my feet are going to be there, so I don't think it's a bother.
Nope.
I think I'll leave the studs there, to be quite honest. Because in the future, if I decide to change them for the proper mats that have the locking in bit that the old ones have, I can just do it without thinking, oh no, I shouldn't have got rid of them. Although one is broken.
Yeah, but there was that one where it had a hole in it, didn't it?
Right.
There was that mat that had a hole in it.
Yeah, this one was worn down to a hole, had a hole in the middle of it, because my feet had worn down. So this is better, it's going to feel like the car feel a bit more, not plush, but a bit more, less bare, because we've been driving around with it without these in, because I've not got round to doing the review. But I didn't do it. So we got the review done. Worth getting? Yes. They're quite thin, they're not very plush, but they do the trick, and they make it a lot more better than having a bare carpet. Because bare carpet will get worn, get damaged, and we've got to keep this car, because it's our battle bus, isn't it? It takes us everywhere, does everything. Does everything. So yeah, so should we finish there then? Happy? Goodbye. They were cheap. I can't remember how much they were. I'll try and put a link in the description. I know I always promise to put a link in the description, probably never do, but they were cheap. They were cheap. They were surprisingly cheap. I thought it would be absolutely rubbish, but they're surprisingly cheap, and they're surprisingly good considering the price. Yeah? Yes. Okay, so we should finish now? Yes. Okay. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. Bye.